Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Today, we're stepping outside to explore a design style that perfectly blends modern simplicity with rustic charm, the modern rustic front veranda. A front veranda isn't just an entry to your home, it's an extension of your living space, offering a warm welcome and setting the tone for the entire house. This design marries the clean lines and minimalism of modern aesthetics with the rich textures and natural materials of rustic style, creating a space that feels both stylish and inviting. Let's take a closer look at how the modern rustic approach can transform your front veranda into a peaceful retreat that connects you to nature and your home's unique character. At the heart of any modern rustic veranda is a strong connection to nature through natural materials. Wood is a key element, often featured in exposed beams, wooden decking, or rustic-style furniture. The wood is usually left raw or minimally treated, highlighting its natural grain and texture. Imagine a sleek, modern seating area made of reclaimed timber, where each piece tells its own story. Alongside wood, you might see stone accents, whether in the form of a natural stone floor or a feature wall that adds depth and earthiness to the space. These elements create a sense of warmth and groundedness that balances the sleek, minimal lines of modern design. This harmonious blend of organic materials creates a space that feels both welcoming and timeless. In modern rustic design, the color palette is inspired by earthy, neutral tones that echo the natural surroundings. Soft shades of beige, warm grays, and muted greens create a calming atmosphere that invites relaxation. You may find the wood of the veranda in warm honey tones, complemented by light linen cushions or woven throws in soft, neutral hues. This muted palette doesn't just create visual calm, it allows the natural beauty of the materials to stand out. It's the perfect backdrop for small pops of color, perhaps in the form of potted plants or weathered metal accents, which give the veranda character without overwhelming the space. The modern aspect of a rustic veranda comes to life through clean, simple lines and a minimalistic approach to furnishings. Think streamlined furniture that complements the rustic elements without competing with them. A long wooden bench with sleek metal legs, for example, or a set of modern outdoor chairs softened by chunky knit cushions. This is where form meets function. The minimalist design ensures that the space feels open and uncluttered, encouraging a sense of tranquility and ease. The modern pieces provide a subtle contrast to the rustic materials, bringing a sense of sophistication to the warmth of the space. Texture plays a crucial role in creating the inviting atmosphere of a modern rustic veranda. From the rough texture of reclaimed wood to the smooth finish of polished concrete or metal, layering different materials adds both comfort and visual interest. Woven rugs, knitted blankets, and linen cushions can soften the harder surfaces, creating a space that feels cozy yet refined. Imagine sitting on a simple wooden bench adorned with soft throws, your feet on a hand-woven jute rug that brings warmth to the stone floor. This interplay of textures turns a simple veranda into a sensory experience, making the space feel lived in and welcoming. As the sun sets, the magic of a modern rustic veranda is amplified by thoughtful lighting. Lantern-style fixtures or industrial pendant lights can provide a warm, inviting glow that complements the natural materials. Imagine warm string lights draped along wooden beams, or vintage-style metal lanterns casting soft, ambient light across the space. By day, the focus is on natural light and how it highlights the materials. But by night, soft lighting can transform the veranda into an intimate, relaxing retreat. Whether it's through built-in lighting or simply the flicker of candles in weathered holders, lighting sets the tone for evenings spent outside, making the space just as inviting after dark. No modern rustic veranda would be complete without a touch of greenery. Plants bring the outdoors into the design, enhancing the connection to nature. Potted plants in ceramic or terracotta planters, hanging vines, or even a small vertical garden can add life and color without overwhelming the neutral tones. Whether you opt for lush greenery or a few simple succulents, plants breathe life into the rustic materials and soften the modern lines, creating a balanced, organic feel. The greenery is not just decorative, it enhances the tranquil, earthy atmosphere, encouraging you to relax and enjoy the outdoor space. Finally, what makes a modern rustic veranda truly special are the personal touches that reflect your own style and sensibility. This might be a collection of handmade pottery, a vintage lantern, or even a weathered rocking chair that's been passed down through the family. These items tell a story and add a sense of authenticity to the space. Personal elements make the veranda feel like an extension of the home's interior, a place where style meets comfort and where you can enjoy the beauty of both the design and the outdoors. A modern rustic veranda is more than just an outdoor space. It's a welcoming extension of your home that merges natural materials, clean lines, and personal touches. It's where rustic warmth meets modern simplicity, offering a space to relax, connect, and unwind. If this style resonates with you, why not start reimagining your own outdoor space? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more inspiration and ideas on how to transform your home into a place of beauty and comfort.